Welcome to Soil Charger Technology Pomegranate plot. Today we are going to visit Mahadev Muchande sir's plot from Sangli, Maharashtra state. Highest weight up to 900 gram per fruit. "21 years old pomegranate plot, 300 to 350 number of fruits to per plant. 3 acres plot, 15 into 16 feet distance, 1 crore benefit from 600 plants in 5 years. RNPH, Krishi Amrut, SSM basal dose is given." By using Vedic technology, there is no need to use biological agent and chemical fertilizer. 3 basal dose application is done. SSM is used for last basal dose. Sir have given 3 basal dose, first in rest period, second during setting stage and third during size stage. 8 kg of Krishi Amrut per plant application is done. On 30 May, ethereal spray is done. 1 time setting and 1 time harvesting to all the fruits. Once in a 12 to 15 days, spray application is done. Use of Vedic increases weight and shining to the pomegranate. SSM increases glazing to all the fruits. This is the number 1 plot of pomegranate in Sangli district. Due to the strength of basal dose, number of spray also get reduced. Till now, 150 liter of soil charger application is done for 3 acres of pomegranate. So friends, if you are also interested to do the farming with Vedic technology, contact for detailed information. Thank you friends.